Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dust and dirt ruining your favorite espresso machine? Look no further than the espresso machine cover for Philips by EI Juggalo. This amazing product is a total game changer for any coffee lover. With its heavy-duty waterproof nylon construction, you can say goodbye to scratches and water stains on your machine. The 600D nylon is incredibly durable and provides reliable protection for your coffee maker, giving you a sense of security and peace of mind. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The convenient handle makes it easy to slip the cover on and off, and the encrypted stitching ensures it will withstand regular use. The bottom opening design allows for air circulation, preventing water stains from remaining on the coffee maker, and the cover itself is easy to clean and maintain. The sound of the cover gliding on and off is smooth and effortless, and the feel of the durable nylon is reassuringly sturdy. The espresso machine cover for Philips is perfect for keeping your kitchen and dining room clean, avoiding the trouble of dust, oil smoke, and cooking steam. It's also great for protecting your machine when it's not in use, and the king-size design ensures it will fit your Philips 1200, 5500, 5400, or 2200 series machine with ease. The result is a clean and dust-free machine that will continue to perform at its best. Whether you're a busy homeowner or a coffee shop owner, this product is a must-have. It's easy to set up, and the benefits are clear. So why not give the espresso machine cover for Philips by EI Juggalo a try, and see the difference it can make for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.